Why you should stop using Clerk right now? I'm pretty bullish about Clerk since it's been released, and I really think it's a big mistake to use this tool right now, especially since the IA area arrived. Especially since the AI area arrives. So let's deep why you should not use Clerk together. So I make main 5, 6 points as we have just here. So what is the first point? Authentication is the core of your application. Auth defines your app's architecture. Why you should delegate the most important part of your app to a company that you don't control. Because what you're actually delegating, first, user data, credential, session, metadata, all on their server. You don't own the data anymore. Second, app architecture. Your middleware root components depends now on Clerk SDK. So a migration costs a lot. Business continuity. If Clerk change, pricing, pivot, or die, you're stuck. Okay? Because all your app depends on this tool. So now you need to continue to use Clerk because all of these views, all of these components use Clerk. Security model. So this is one good argument for Clerk, for big company that doesn't want to look like they handle everything on their own. Clerk have a really good security. So this is one good argument. And you have the user experience pre-built components. What happened? You get the great login again. Passwords are not exportable in plain text. All user session terminate. Everyone must relog in if you migrate. Use auth, Clerk provider, middleweight. You need to rewrite everything. So here it's a bit bullshit, but the main point is, do you want to delegate authentication? Because a few months ago, there is a sense to delegate this because it was boring to rebuild the UI again and again and again. But now, in this area, is this worth to do? Because, as we can see now, self-host is no simpler than Clerk, okay? Better Auth is just an insane library, okay? Better Auth is open source. It fits with every framework and have one of the biggest authentication community that you can have. It match any framework, any library, any tool you are using. So basically now self-host with Cloud Code, it's easier than using Clerk. Creating better auth with email or auth 2FA, it's 5 to 10 minutes. The migration, everything is automated. And now the model like Opus or GPT-5 is pretty trained about these tools. Okay, so when you start to use better auth, you don't need to do a lot of stuff yourself because the IA, the agent you are using, the AI, is really good at using better auth. Okay, so in 20 minutes, you have a better auth working. Okay, in any Next.js, StanStack, VGS, anything you want, you have better auth working. You just need the database, but you own everything, zero vendor lock-in. And the best on this is that you have an insanely a big community plugin, like you can have like two-factor authentication, we got you. Username, we got you. Anonymous, we got you. Magic link, we got you. Email, passkey, generate on one tap. Everything you can add. How you add it? It's not hard because Clerk make it simpler. But look, I want to add, for example, the email OTP instead of the magic link. I go here. I click on this copy MD button. I send this to Claude. I promise you that in less than 5 minutes, this feature work. You give him the dev browser so he can try itself and verify. It's work every single time, okay? So you can add everything. Better Auth have a crazy growth, okay? 20,000 star on GitHub, 5 million YC founding for the founder. So they are actually building and it's like open source project, right? But they make business around. So they have the new software somewhere. So here in enterprise growth, so you still get the self-host, but you have some audits and some useful feature on it. So it's founded. It's not like an open source maintainer that will not update. No, it's really a strong tool. We have a lot of feature MIT, so it's like a Clerk version, free forever, that you own the data. Don't use this shit. Don't use OGS, it's dead. Superbase Auth is shit. Stack Auth is shit. We don't care. Only use Better Auth. Actually, there is no reason that you will not use Better Auth, aside that you are lazy fuck boy. No, it's a joke. Okay. So use just Better Auth. I have no word. The pricing trap. So obviously, Clerk is something that you need to pay. We will not even go a lot about this. It's not expensive, right? Like free to up to 50,000 users. Then you need to pay a pro plan to $20 a month. Okay, it's not a lot. It's like $50,000. It's not a lot. But like, why? Why you need to pay for user? What is the reason you would pay for any user in your app? It's no sense. Like, I just don't understand why anyone would use this tool. So, what you have here when you pay is then you have a lot of upsell. So, for example, B2B authentication. So, in the free plan, you have only 100 organization. Oh shit. I want an organization. Now I have only 100. What is this limitation about? It's no sense. So me, all my B2B SaaS have multi-tenancy because multi-tenancy is required. So with Clerk Sheet, you need to use multi-currency 100 maximum organization. In my small sub-fast software, I have 700 active organization. What the hell is this? So we have this. Then administration, 5 impersonation per month. What is the hell of this? No, really, what is this pricing about? So if you want to sign in as another user, so basically impressionization, it's really useful. So for example, if I go to my software where I use obviously Better Auth right now, okay, so everything is Better Auth. I have really slow Wi-Fi. It's not my app. It's like the Wi-Fi is terrible. So here I go to any of my accounts. So this is the admin page. So I vibe code it, right? And I can impersonate the user. So I sign in as this user. And now you see I have the same UAs that this user that doesn't finish the onboarding have. So I can basically check, and here I can stop impersonating. So I can sign in, debug the user. When someone make me a support request, I impersonate. So impersonate for free in Clerk, it's 5 a month. What the hell is this? And be ready, because if you want an administration system when you pay $20 a month, you need to pay $100 on top of it just to impersonate user. Is this insane, or I'm just crazy fucker man? Okay, I don't understand. So here we have the billing. So billing is new. Like basically, it's Stripe, and they are like, okay, Stripe is already a good software. Let's add the fees on top of it. All of this to add you shitty feature that Claude can vibe code in less than 3 seconds, right? Like Claude vibe code this billing software in less than 3 seconds, but they will charge each of your users 0.7%. 0.7%. Is this insane? Yes, it's insane. Okay, I have no word. I hope you understand my frustration. So VC risk, the Auth zero pattern. Basically, Clerk founding timeline. Seed 2022, 500 S28 capital. Then we have Series A, Series B, Series C that we have just here. So what is the VC playbook? Phase 1, capture. Cheap pricing, generous free tier, developer love. The objective is to take down the market. Okay, so this was already finished. Before, Clerk was even cheaper less limitation, less shitty thing. It was easier. Phase 2, lock in, progressive price increase, add-on feature. So we add more feature and we paywall some of our previously free feature. Or we add feature that our user request, and we basically put a price on it. Phase 3, extract, predatory pricing, vendor locking, assume. So they will print money. Clerk is a company that lose money for sure. I don't know. Actually, verify this information, I think. So for example, Auth0 raised massive. Here is what happened. Clerk is the same trajectory. So we have just here. Then technical problem. Clerk Nest.js is not optimized. 50% of your app bundle is a lot of bullshit. So Clerk creates some latency. I didn't try it. Okay, so take this with some salt. Okay, it's okay. Community XOD, why do you think Clerk pricing is predatory? So they asked this directly to Clerk founder. The typical Clerk developer journey, months 1 to 6, Clerk is amazing. Months 12, the pricing, months 18, locked in or switched. So when we hit 50K user, Clerk was 5,000 a month, switch to better out in 2 weeks, save 50,000 a year. Session terminate randomly, user locked out for no reason, support say now issue. $100 a month surprise add-on image, MFA should be free, permission should be free. This is crazy. This is predatory pricing. Alternative, better route. There is Supabase Auth is a piece of shit. So let's remove this from our thoughts as I try here. Actually, it doesn't want to accept my thing. But yes, obviously, better route is a better alternative. So for all of this, I recommend anyone that is actually watching this video to never use Clerk. It's a piece of shit software wrapper for... I don't know why. I don't know. I know some good YouTubers that use it. I think they have their reason. Every reason is right. I just share my opinion. It's a bit strong opinion because I like strong opinion. Obviously, if you use it, it's fine. I'm happy for you. I don't care. Your life is good. I don't care at all. Just want to share my opinion. I make a tweet that went a bit viral. So I need to explain why Clerk is a piece of shit for me. Okay, so let's subscribe to this channel if you want some more strong opinion, and I see you next time.